Welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you how to import table in RPD. Now let's begin. So I'm going to open RPD client, OBI client. So now we are in the OBI client side. Now select on file and then go for import metadata. So just click on there. Now we have to change that connection type. Since we are going to connect with Oracle database, so I am selecting OCI. Okay. So now we require data source name, username and password. Okay. So before writing to here, we have to check database schema name and username and password. So for that I am going to check with data. So now I came to Oracle SQL developer and now I am checking like we are going to connect with which schema name. So at present I am going to select HR schema and then we have to notice these 3 points like what is your host name, port name and SID number. These are very important number to connecting with database. So since our database is also in my local system, so I have written here local system. In your case, if your database in the different system, that time you have to write IP address for particular system. So now I'm going to again RPD side and here in the data source side, here I have to write down localhost, port number and SID. So this is the local host number and colon and port number is my in my case 1521 and then ORCL and that is depend different depend every system to system. If someone is going to like install in another system, then you have to write down their IP address and port number also differ, that depend on your connecting with your which database. Okay, so now at present I am going to connect with HR, so I am going to write here HR schema name, username and password, then click on next button and here you will find like a what you are going to import: table, key, foreign key, view, alias, system table, what. So at present I am going to, by default you will get table, key and foreign key, so I require view also, so I'm just going to checking this option also, then click on next button. Now I can see here my HR schema is here. Now I'm going to highlight which table I require to import. Okay, so now click on here, import selected. Now next window will come. You have to click on here. Okay. Now we can find here we got all the tables, required table. Now click on here, finished. So now you can see that our all required table imported. Now after that we can verify also. So click on table and see the view data. See, you can see all data for particular table. So that's all for today video. Catch you in the next video.